Is flossing teeth important whether using something called as a string floss or using a water floss? My name is Dr. Ma and I'm a dentist. Okay. With regard to dental flossing, you need to understand something that's very important. Whenever we talk about cleaning teeth, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Probably a toothbrush and toothpaste, which are great and I use them on a daily basis. However, some people unfortunately ignore and miss on the dental floss. Why is a dental floss important? Dental floss is important because the toothbrush, due to its design, it's not able to reach in between the teeth. I'm going to be showing you an x-ray how do these nasty bacteria seep into areas in between the teeth and cause these cavities in the weirdest areas on the teeth that we need to repair and actually drill and fill, and they're not even that easy to drill and fill, to be honest with you, in comparison with the surface level cavities. And that's very often due to not only poor oral hygiene and poor diet, but also not using dental floss, not cleaning in between the teeth. Okay, don't forget to like, share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel for more.